Hey guys, today's video is about the characteristics of Indian society. What is a social issue? Which is an characteristic of Indian society? Social issue. Human being is a social animal, so he is bound to follow the rules he has made. If he doesn't do like this, it hurts social values. Actions like this form superstitions, religious hate, caste system, superstitions, dowry ritual, unemployment or population, corruption, poverty, etc. are our main social issues. It is not that these issues have always been present in our society. Many rituals are the reason these behind these issues. These issues has made a place after so many years under slavery of Britishers. The next characteristics of Indian society is casteism. In ancient era, one system were present in the basis of property and karma. The person who used to worship in temple and provide education to children considered as Brahman, while if his son used to work for protecting the country, his son was seen as a Kshatriya. So the caste determination was based on karma, but with time it didn't remain same, and the determination of caste became birth based, and many evil things like untouchability, class differences, etc. made a place in Indian society and community. Casteism became a curse after independence of India. Selfish and greedy politicians shook the unity of India. Casteism is the primary cause for evilness that are present in Indian society and community. Casteism has become worse in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Andhra Pradesh. The next type of characteristics that is present in Indian society is locality. What is locality? Locality is about have beliefs in their area, considered it supreme, considered it special from other areas, and be aware about what is right for it. But it becomes locality versus nation when it develops narrow thinking. Then, because of the wish for convenience, it becomes negative concept. Thus, locality means the feeling and emotions the areas local people have and the effort they want to put so that their locality and area people have special a case in the basis of economically, socially, politically, so for they could gain the benefits. The concept of locality is a barrier in country's unity. There are many factors for formation of the locality: geographical differences, economical imbalances, language differences, and uneven state geography have played a major role for farming locality. Separatism has received appreciation. Some states of India like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka has significantly more developed than other parts of India, while Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and many other states are underdeveloped. The states of South India has been more focused, while North and East states has been ignored or getting less attention. So the differences among the development triggers the sense and feelings of locality. The sense of locality has also increased because of casteism. Haryana and Punjab are the primary example of it. India has been focused in unity in diversity. But the formation of new state started to continue, and not only new states were kept getting formed, but also more demands for forming new states has significantly raised. Telangana from Andhra Pradesh, Gorakland from West Bengal, Mithilanchal from Bihar, Bodoland from Assam, Purvanchal from Uttar Pradesh, and many states formation demanded are being raised. India is known for unity in diversity. The formation of new states impacted the unity of nations. When the sense and the feeling of locality and area struggle with nation, it becomes peril for the unity of country. The unity of country is also important for safety of independence of the country. It is important to put a limitation to those who use locality for politics. The next characteristic of Indian society is poverty. It is also an disadvantage in Indian society. What what is a poverty, guys? Poverty is formed when a person is unable to fill his basic necessities. Poverty is the main reason for theft, kidnapping, murder, loot, prostitution. Poverty could make anyone commit crime. Immense poverty is shameful for a country like India that is democratic. Many people are still poor in India. Bihar is one of the prime example of being poor state of India. Beside Bihar, many Indian states are still poor. Poverty is less common in South Indian states. Poverty causes many disadvantage it in Indian society. It causes hungerness, poverty. Poverty causes mental instability. These conditions lead the tendency to commit crimes like theft, loot, violence. Increased poverty and unemployment are the primary cause for an increase in crime and violence. Many people commit unimaginable crime because of poverty. Selfish and greedy politicians take advantage of poor people. It pollutes the country's political and social environment. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned, guys, for the next characters of Indian society. Thank you.